While there's a variety of sewing machines available, they all operate on the same principle. In addition to the main machine, most sewing machines come with a variety of accessories that are designed to increase a sewing machine's versatility and efficiency. The accessories across different machine models are typically similar, tailored to fit specific brands, while maintaining consistent functionalities. This is part 4 of the sewing machine overview. Presser feet and other accessories. In this video, we'll start by exploring several common presser feet that can enhance your sewing experience. Following that, we'll delve into the additional accessories typically included with your sewing machine. Presser feet are one of the most important accessories that come with a sewing machine. Each foot is marked with an identification letter. They hold the fabric in place as it is being sewn and can help you create different types of stitches and finishes. Let's have a look at some of the most common presser feet. Firstly, we have the straight stitch foot, ideal for basic straight stitching. Often it features a narrow design with one toe shorter than the other. Next up, we have the zipper foot, which comes in handy for sewing seams with different thicknesses, like when you're inserting zippers, covering cord, sewing bound buttonholes, or working with bulky fabric layers. Then we've got our invisible zipper foot, specifically crafted for seamlessly inserting invisible zippers. It features 2 channels on the bottom for smooth stitching. Moving along, there's the zigzag foot, also known as the all-purpose foot, which is great for both zigzag and straight stitching tasks. Next, let's talk about the buttonhole foot, designed for machine-worked buttonholes. Available in metal or transparent plastic, it includes guidelines for precise stitch placement. The automatic buttonhole foot can securely hold a button at the back, while effortlessly creating a buttonhole of the correct size. Now, on to the Overedge foot, designed to secure fabric edges with its metal bar, ensuring stitches fall neatly over the fabric's edge. For those clean finished edges, you'll want to use the narrow hemmer or rolled hem foot. It automatically holds the fabric edge for smooth stitching. Then there's the Satin-Stitch Foot, perfect for dense zigzag stitching with its beveled bottom for seamless thread delivery and clear plastic construction for enhanced visibility. The button foot simplifies button sewing with its grooved design, accommodating a toothpick or needle to create thread shanks. And let's not forget about the blind hemming foot, equipped with a metal guide and grooves underneath for accurate folding and preventing slipping during stitching. Finally, there's the walking foot, equipped with feed dogs to prevent fabric from shifting. It ensures the bottom layer doesn't lag behind, preventing uneven stitching. Additionally, it's excellent for top stitching, where irregularities can occur due to seam bulk, especially around collars and sleeves. Using the walking foot for top stitching guarantees perfect stitches every time. Keep in mind that we provide detailed instructions on using these presser feet in lessons dedicated to specific sewing techniques. If you're interested in learning more about the construction of a particular element, such as an invisible zipper, you can find the relevant technique in our video library. We've put together a handy PDF on the topic that you can print out and keep nearby while you're sewing. You can download it for free from our website. Now let's look at some other accessories that usually come with a sewing machine. Bobbins are small spools of thread utilised to form the lower thread in a stitch. Most sewing machines come with several bobbins, and they are usually made of plastic or metal. It's important to use the correct size and type of bobbin for your machine, as using the wrong one can cause tension problems. We'll cover how to wind the bobbin and thread it in the upcoming lessons. Needles are another important accessory that come with a sewing machine. They are used to create the upper thread in a stitch, and different types of needles are used for different types of fabrics and threads. It's important to use the correct needle for your project to achieve the best results. More on needles in the next lesson. Included with your machine, you'll typically find a straight stitch foot and a straight stitch needle plate, which offer excellent fabric control. These components are ideal for tasks like straight stitching, edge stitching, and working with delicate fabrics. The needle plate features a small hole which prevents delicate fabrics from getting drawn into the machine while stitching. For more versatile sewing needs, there's the general purpose foot and the general purpose needle plate. These come equipped with a wider hole and opening. They can handle straight stitching on sturdy fabrics, and they are essential when you need to employ zigzag stitching, providing ample space for the needle's side-to-side movement. Other accessories that come with a sewing machine can include extra spool caps for holding thread, a seam ripper for removing stitches, tweezers for easier thread manipulation, screwdrivers to assist in changing between different accessories, and a lint brush for keeping your machine clean. The majority of these accessories consist of different types of presser feet, alongside specialised attachments, stitching guides and gauges. Their names may differ, and not all accessories are universally compatible across all machines. Keep in mind that while some accessories may not be manufactured by your machine's maker, they can still be compatible with your sewing machine. However, opting for the original manufacturer's accessories, if possible, is advisable to minimise potential complications. To discover which attachments are suitable for your machine and how to utilise them, refer to the machine's instruction manual or search online for information on what accessories are compatible with your sewing machine. In this lesson, we familiarised ourselves with several common presser feet and explored other essential accessories like bobbins, needles, thread spool caps and more. Now you're aware of the tools that are handy to have. We also discovered that although many accessories are compatible with various sewing machines, it's advisable to purchase from your machine's manufacturer to ensure optimal fit and prevent potential tension or stitching problems. For further details on sewing accessories, be sure to check out our dedicated course, Essential Sewing Supplies. In the next lesson, you will learn more about different types of machine needles and when to use them.